In this video, I will show with you how to get Rackbank bank statement. So friends, let's get started. First, download the Rackbank app. This is the first you need to do. Download this app and then log in your account with your user ID and password. This is the second step you need to do. After that, click login option. So friends, click login after write your ID and password. And then you will see a dashboard of this account. As you can see here, you will see your card and your all details. And then when you click three line here, this option, you will get your account and services. Look for a statement, click on statement, and then choose your date of statement you want to download. Just you can download as a PDF statement, friends. After download, you will get your statement as PDF like this, as you can see here, like this one, your Rackbank statement. And then you will use. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. Just look for statement and then you will get your statement.